iyo uri kompeta,
when you are competent,
iyo uzi ibintu,
when you know things,
reka mvuge iyo uzi ubwenge,
when you are smart,
n'abatagukunda baragukenera.
even those who don't love you need you.
Sibyo? Nubwo mutaba muhuje ubwoko ariko iyo ibishoboye baravuga mumuzane.
Even if you don't have the same tribe, they will call for you.
Nubwo umuntu atari mwene wanyu, baravuga ati okay, mumushiremo kuko bishoboye. Gushobora bikingura inzira.
Even if it's not your relative, those people are going to call for you because competence open ways.
Yes, ashimwe cyane.
Amen.
Niyo mpamvu iyo umuntu azi ikintu ugomba kwikora neza cyane, ukakiga cyane, ukagityaza cyane kuko abantu baragukenera. Ntibagukenera kuko uri mwiza, uri igitangaza, bagukenera kuko ukibafasha.
That's why if you have a skill, you must make sure that you develop it because people are going to need you based on that skill, not because they love you.
Amen.
Amen.
Ibintu by'inkundo ntibiba muri competence. Ta santima ibamo n'ubushobozi bubamo.
There is no emotion when it comes to competence. It's only if you are capable of doing something.
Amen.
Amen.
Iyo umuntu abizi abishoboye,
when someone knows this,
arazamuka.
they become promoted.
Daniel yazamutse kubera iki?
How did Daniel get promoted?
Yabaye umukuru yungirije umwami kubera iki?
How did he become the prime minister? Why did Joseph become the prime minister? The foreigners. It's because they had competence. The owners of things that didn't have it, they did not go into those positions. But the foreigners who were competent took those places.
Ntugashake kuvunwa n'icyo udakunda kandi n'icyo udashoboye, ariko icyo ushoboye gikore neza kizakuzamura.
Don't try to do something that you don't know or that you don't love, but what you know and love, do it very well and it's going to elevate you.
Amen.
Amen.
Ikintu ushoboye,
what you can do,
kihuguremo cyane.
Train yourself in it.
Ureke kwihugura mu bintu udashoboye cyangwa se bikuvuna. Ikintu wumva ukunze kandi ushoboye, niba ari no gusinzira, sinzira neza ubyihuguremo. Kuko umunsi bazakora competition y'abasinzira neza uzaba uwa mbere. Donc ikintu ukunda gikore neza cyane.
Train yourself in whatever you love to do, even if it's falling asleep. If you sleep as an expert, when they have a competition for sleeping, you are going to win. Don't leave this earth without knowing something or being competent in something.